This is Free Talk Business 3, Lesson 1 Review. What is the algebra of wealth? Hey Sarah, have you ever read The Algebra of Wealth by Scott Galloway? Yes, I really liked his philosophy about building wealth through career, discipline, and smart investing. He said there's no magic formula, but there are patterns that increase your chances. Exactly. It's all about discipline, especially when it comes to saving and investing early. Right. I was surprised by how powerful compound interest can be over time. He also talks a lot about how important it is to diversify your investments. I agree. I used to think just saving in a bank account was enough, but now I want to learn more about stocks. That's great. A lot of people are starting to get on board with investing now. You don't have to be a genius, just consistent and smart with your decisions. I wish I'd read his book 10 years ago. Me too, but it's not too late. Let's keep learning and sharing ideas like this. Absolutely. Okay, good job.